Hey there, money movers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in banking tech to make your financial life a breeze. Today, we're tackling how to transfer money from Standard Bank to TymeBank in 2025. With the banking world evolving faster than ever, this process is now quicker and more secure than before. Whether you're switching accounts, sending funds to a friend, or just exploring options, I'll walk you through it step by step. First things first, make sure you have the Standard Bank app installed on your smartphone or access to their website. It's essential for seamless transfers. Start by logging into your Standard Bank account using your secure credentials. If you're new to this, double-check that two-factor authentication is enabled for extra safety. Once you're in, navigate to the Transfers or Payments section. This is usually front and center in the dashboard. Next, select the option to add a new beneficiary. You'll need to enter TymeBank details like the account number and the recipient's name. Pro tip: always verify these details to avoid any mix-ups, as banking errors can lead to delays. In 2025, you'll see some cool updates, like AI-assisted verification, which double-checks everything for you. After entering the info, specify the amount you want to transfer and choose any additional options, such as adding a reference note for the recipient. Review everything carefully. This step is crucial to prevent mistakes. Hit confirm, and you'll get an instant confirmation code via SMS or email. The transfer should process within minutes, thanks to the advanced interbank systems in place. If you run into any issues, like insufficient funds or technical glitches, contact Standard Bank's support. They're available 24/7 now. And just like that, you're done. By following these steps, you'll have your money transferred hassle-free. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more banking tips. What's your go-to banking app? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.